وذكر فإن الذكرى تنفع المؤمنين.
When I am presented to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it doesn't matter how I look. It doesn't matter where I come from. It doesn't matter what color skin is me. It doesn't matter what job I did. It doesn't matter what bank account I had. All these no veil. One thing only. أتى الله بقلب سليم, pure, sound, healthy. And what is that? There's so many definitions of the heart that is salim. I will say one statement. A sound heart is that heart that has nothing in it but Allah. Nothing in that heart but Allah. So you're going to tell me, so I don't love my children. No, yes, you love your children, but for Him. So I'm not going to work. Yes, you do. What pleases Him in the way that pleases Him. So I don't eat. Yes, you do. But it is for Him. I don't get happy. Yes, you get happy. What makes Him happy and pleased? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said it in Surah Al-Shu'ara. إِلَّا مَنْ أَتَى اللَّهَ بِقَلْبٍ سَلِيمٍ. No one will be successful that day unless that person has a heart that is sound and pure. And I think it was Imam Abdul Qadir al-Jilani who said, work on your heart to become like a strainer. Anything you put in it, if that thing is not pleasing to Allah, comes out. And the only thing that stays in it is what pleases Allah. Al-Qalb al-Salim.